Hi everybody, so today we're making king crab legs and a shito and tomato sauce. I have here some giant crab legs that I bought from Costco. They're previously frozen and I've thawed them out and I'm cutting them at the joints here. I put them in a sizable pot and I've added about 1 cup of water, and then I'm just going to close the lid and let it thaw and just cook and get hot that way. So next I have some scallions, about 3 cloves of scallions. I also have about 3 cloves of 3 cloves of garlic that I have cut up, and about a finger of ginger that I've also cut into small pieces. And I also have about 4 Roma tomatoes here that I have cubed. And so in a large pot, I've added some olive oil, and then I'm just sauteing my vegetables in there. I've added about a pinch of salt. This is probably about half a teaspoon of salt here. And then the bottom of my shito jar, you can watch my previous video on how to make shito. But here I'm adding about 2 heaping tablespoons of shito to this to the vegetables here. And just stir that up nicely, just incorporate all the flavors together. And then I'm adding my cubed tomatoes to the pot. I'm going to let that sit for a while. So the tomatoes are what really give this a nice flavor. So I'm also adding some curry powder, about a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of white pepper. These are not standard measurements. These are just, it's just a teaspoon that I use for my tea. So I'm not being too exact with this recipe. Next, I have some thyme leaves that I'm going to sprinkle all over this. You can use as much or as little as you would like. I happen to like thyme a lot. I like the smell, the aroma of it. If you don't like it, you can choose not to add this to this dish. It's up to you. I borrowed this recipe from Sisi Yemi. If you're not familiar with her, she is a Nigerian food and lifestyle blogger. Her recipe did not have the tomatoes in it, but I felt I really needed it for this crab to make this sauce. So now I'm going to add a Maggi cube. Again, you can choose to omit this from your recipe if you choose. You don't have to add it. You can, however, add some additional salt if you choose not to add the Maggi. And then I'm just going to let that sauce sit for about maybe 5 minutes or so all the water and the juice can come out. Then I added my crab and I covered it so that it can get really infused with that sauce. I served it with some jollof rice and the very bottom of my shito jar. This is it, you guys. I need to make some more. I need some more shito. So that's pretty much it. That's all it is. Easy peasy. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.